Hey friends, it's Quenby, the Grateful Queen, here on YouTube. Welcome back for another great video. I'm so happy to have this time together. Today's video, we are unboxing my wholesale clothing order from Backstock. Backstock is an online wholesale company. They're a little bit unique in that you buy a membership to the site, but they're often having like deals on that. And then it allows you to shop on their site, and the stuff is really cheap. I have a few other videos on the channel, so watch this one and watch the other videos and see if this is something that would work for you. My plan in the video is to unbox this with you and show you everything I bought that I plan to sell on eBay and Poshmark. I'm a part-time reseller, but I've been selling for 10 years, and Backstock's a great way to get really inexpensive inventory to resell. So let's dive into this box, and then as we go, I'll explain everything. Okay friends, this is seriously exciting because it's like a mystery box. I bought this stuff weeks ago, and I'm gonna try and tell you what I paid for it, but they're always doing these crazy sales. Like some of the stuff was $2, some of the stuff was $8, but 50% off, or buy one, get one free. So I just put a bunch of stuff in my cart, but let me just tell you, my total for everything here was $77.70. So I think you're gonna be really surprised when you see what I got. They put everything in these bags, so I'm gonna do my best here. Oh my gosh, I love these, and these are so hot for 2020 and 2021. I'd call this like a Sherpa fleece. Look at the fuzziness on this. Oh my god. They're called teddy coats or Sherpa, and they're an ultra soft fleece. This one's okay, take two. I was filming and my battery died, so I had to pause, recharge, reboot, redo, and I'm back. This amazing fleecy Target New Day jacket was only $2. I'll take it. Okay, I got on this site because they have Free People, which is one of my favorite brands ever. They put everything in all these bags. I try and save what I can, but often not. This is a black velvet dress. It retailed for $128, and it is so cute. What is it? It's all... Give me a minute here, friends. I can't even. Okay. It's... yeah. Still working on it. Oh yeah. Friends, I want to make sure you take just a moment to subscribe to the channel. We have so much fun here. I do a ton of reselling videos, a ton of unboxings, and this channel is about education for reselling online and fashion, but it's really about encouragement and support. We want to help you grow in your reselling business however it is that you want to. We want to be an encouragement and a support to you. You'll definitely find that if you come to my live at 5 that I do on the channel every Friday night at 5 p.m. Pacific time. You get to meet a lot of other resellers. We have a great time, and we'd love to welcome you. So make sure you're subscribed with the bell turned on. Thanks, friends. If I find stock photos for some of this, I'll pop it up, or if I find any info about any of these pieces, I'm gonna give up on this in a second. Which dress is this anyway? The cat long sleeve faux wrap velvet mini dress. I got 2 of them for $12 each. I'm sorry, I can't even. I'm hopefully gonna find a stock photo. Velvet lace long sleeve mini dress by Free People, $12 each. I got 2. This you might have seen in some of my other videos, so I'll put a stock photo up. This is an Eddie Bauer fleece. I got a men's size XL, and with my awkward reaching, I got 2 XL because they were like $8, 50% off, so I think I paid $4 each, and they're super cute. I got one for my partner Petey, and he looks so good in it. Okay, this is J. Jill, my best-selling brand on eBay. The sad thing about this is that it's a size extra small, but it was $2, and it's a new with tags, black velvet kind of velour women's top. J. Jill says the best for me on eBay, but in the big sizes, so that might sit for a little bit, but for $2, I'm not worried about it. This is something big. Can you hear all the ruffling noises from my box? I'm so sorry. This is something quite big. It is a jacket, soft shell, zip front hooded coat by Isaac Mizrahi Live, $6. Now, if you can get a new with tag jacket for $6, let me get the bag off. Noisy, noisy, noisy. If you can get a new with tag hooded jacket for $6, I suggest you do so. This is beautiful. Isaac Mizrahi Live, which I think is like sometimes sold at Target. I'm trying to learn with my new camera, guys, how to like, there you go, how to make it focus for you. Isaac Mizrahi is a designer, and then he did collabs with Target. So this might be like a Target one. This is so nice. It's almost like scuba material. Fleece line hood for $6. I'm sure I can flip that. Okay, these are PacSun jeans with the price tag on them for $44.95. They're slim, and I think I paid for these babies $4. Oh, these are shorts, and they're awesome. I wish they were my size. Look at that with the embroidery. These might not sell right now in January when I'm filming this, but they will sell. PacSun is at the mall. But I'm reading like the prices, $6, but these were $4 actually, but then on the end they took off $64. So again, I'm sorry, I can't give the exact pricing, but most things were like 50% off or buy one, get one free. So my total for the whole order was $77. So as you can see, that's a pretty cheap cost of goods for everything. Okay, why did I buy this? I don't know. It's like a blazer jacket. Oh, because it's bar 3 and it's 1X. Bar 3 is sold at like Macy's, and it's a very expensive brand there. Size XL, like a woman's long blazer striped. When I listed, I put bar and the numeral 3 because it's weird to just put the 3 lines, even though that's how the name brand goes. Suit separates from Macy's. It's a size 1X. That's awesome. Now, is career wear selling well for me during the pandemic? That would be no. But, you know, within a year, vaccines roll out, we all get back on with our lives, I'll be selling a lot of this stuff. I got these for Torvald. Harry Potter new with tags jeans for $2. Jeans. Jammies. Harry Potter pajamas retailed for $16.99, and I got them for $2. Super cute, like fleece pajama set. That'd be a nice gift, or if you got it to flip. Now this is one of the best things in the box, so pay attention. Pay attention, friends. These are Fly London. Fly London is an expensive shoe brand. These are a size 36. I can't remember what they were. I paid $16, but I think I got them half off, so I think I paid $8. And then it's like, sometimes I wish I had thought ahead and got more than one. These are an unusual shoe. Like, this is so not my thing, but this is what they're known for. They're like comfy shoes with a wedge, but you can still wear them. Really gorgeous, though. If you take a look at those babies, come on and focus for me, new camera. So nice, gorgeous. These will probably sell around $50, if not more. Again, if I have stock photos or comps, I'll be popping them up somewhere. Pop it up. I just got this Free People top in the video I recorded right before this, which was a ShopGoodwill Online haul. I got this embroidered Free People top for like $20, and I'm in love. I put it on right away. Yeah, I probably should have washed it, but you know what? It's been sitting in my hallway for at least a week, so anything that might have been on it is probably dead. I don't really care. Okay, I'll put stock photos up of these because these I bought before. They're Chico'S, one of my best-selling brands, mature women's brands on eBay. They're like a black pant, the crepe pant, and they retailed for $79. And I got them in a 3, and Chico'S does vanity sizing, and vanity sizing 3 is like an XL. I hope I got more than one pair because this is such a good deal. I did. So I got, this one is a 2.5, $79 Chico'S pants. The crepe pants look like this. I must have got 2 because they were like a 2-for-1 sale or something. I'm looking on my invoice, but it's really doesn't mean anything because the discounts aren't on here. They were cheap. How about that? How about cheap? I love cheap. I am cheap. What's in here? Ooh, this is a Pure Jill. Oh, I must have got 2 of these. I'm so smart. I'm telling you. Oh no, this is something different. it's a mystery box for me because I buy this stuff and you kind of go in there and buy it fast while they're having like a one-day sale on Backstock. Go check it out. I have like a $5 discount in my description section below. I'm not an affiliate. I don't make a percentage or anything for recommending. It's just a company I like, and they have a $5 off. Oh, this is nice. J. Jill size extra small petite, new with tags. And it's just a long black cardigan. Who doesn't love like a long black beautiful cardigan? It feels like it's wool. And again, the small sizes in this brand will take a little while to sell. Whatever, they'll sell eventually. And this is the other, oh, I got it in a size large. That was smart. Free People black velvet dress. I'm sure I found a stock photo and I'll put it up there, and I'm sure it was cheap. Last but not least, this was a really good haul for $70. All this stuff, new with tag, brands that I know are gonna do well. So this is a good box. And oh, another pair of J. Jill I got, Ponte full leg crop size extra small, retailed for $79. These are adorable. I wish I got more of these. Look at that like plaid. They're like a pull-on elastic waist pants, but super wide leg in a plaid. Now, of course, they had large sizes available. That's always what I'm gonna buy, almost in like every brand. But sometimes it's on Backstock because it's extra small and it's harder to sell. But if you can get it for like $2, $4, go ahead and get it. It's going to sell, just maybe not as quick. What do you think of this haul? I had so much fun filming it with you. I think I got a great deal. Let me know if you've tried Backstock or what your thoughts are on it. I appreciate you watching as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Maybe I'll see you on my Friday live at 5. I would love to.